My job is to set the team up to create opportunities to score. And I'm going to be worried if my teams don't create chances.
So Montego Bay United has finally announced their new head coach, and no, it is not Tapa Whitmore. It is actually Rodolfo Zapata. Well, who is the Argentine? Welcome back to JPL Fan, and we're here with another major off-season update for the JPL, and it's one of those most talked about, most rumored managerial vacancy at Montego Bay United club. So for weeks we've been, tackling the rumor that former National Reggae Boys head coach Tapa Whitmore was lining up himself to join the Montego Bay United club, and in the end, it never exactly played out that way. Instead, the club went for an Argentine called Rodolfo Zapata. He is a retired goalkeeper who turned up for several clubs in the Argentine Division 2 before he was forced into retirement following a knee injury. Zapata has previously coached Sunshine Stars FC of Nigeria in 2010, Black Aces FC of South Africa between 2011 and 2012, and Botswana's Gaborone United, where he worked since 2016 until he found himself in Kenya with AFC Leopards. But he did return to Botswana in 2019 when he was appointed as the new head coach of Township Rollers FC. There, he won the 2018 to 2019 edition of the Botswana Premier League with his club, and as a result, the Township Rollers qualified for the 2019 to 2020 African Champions League. So he has good experience winning a title at least. He moved on from there and went to Mukra Victory Sports in Rwanda, before his final landing spot before Montego Bay United was at Fiji, where he took over the U20 team leading up to the U20 World Cup in 2023. However, he never got there as he left his post before the World Cup even began. Zapata coached only 3 matches in an invitational tournament held in Jakarta, Indonesia, where the Fiji U20 team lost all its 3 games to Indonesia, Guatemala and New Zealand, conceding 10 goals and scoring just once. The exact reason for Zapata's departure was still undisclosed. As you can see, his coaching career is largely based in Africa, as well as his start was actually in America with the youth development over there. But how will he play out as a manager in the Jamaica Premier League? Well, we can also state what kind of formation and style he likes. Zapata has overseen a mostly possession-based and attacking style of play. He has most consistently favored a 4-1-4-1 formation, but there also have been occasions with both a 4-3-2-1 and a 4-3-3 have been used. So his style is possession-based, and honestly, if you look into the JPL, it's only one team that consistently build their philosophy of that type of football, and that is Dumbo Holding under Lenny Hyde. So it'll be interesting to see how his style fits with Montego Bay United. As for what the man himself said about his appointment, he stated in a Gleaner saying, "To build a winning team, you must first establish a culture of winning. I want to do something big here, and this will take hard work. I'm here to work hard and not waste my time. This season we are going to start strong and finish strong. I'm here to take the MBU to the next level and eventually to CONCACAF." So it clearly echoed what UNAF Epstein and the entire Montego Bay United ownership group been saying, and why they made the changes in leadership is because they want more of a consistent results in the league, as because they have high expectations and lofty ambitions to carry this club to not just to the top of the JPL, but also into the CONCACAF Champions Cup, which I absolutely welcome to hearing. It's good to see another team taking this thing well seriously and having the realization how far they can go in this region. So I absolutely cannot wait to see his first preseason game to see if the nucleus of the Montego Bay team from last season that ended the year so strongly is back first of all, and how will they adapt to this new Argentine coach. If my memory serves me correctly, this will be the first time the league have an Argentine coach, so it'll be interesting to see where we go from there. Another thing to look in as well is that when the Santos, which was the previous Montego Bay United coach, who is a Brazilian, was at the helm, he brought over some pieces from Brazil. So it'll be interesting to see if Zapata will do the same. I will actually be more intrigued to see if he brings any players from the African continent thanks to his connections over there. I still feel that the JPL could be a good home for players that leave the African continent, and we should tap into that market more often. So this might be a good first step towards that. But on the Montego Bay United front, overall, I have to get to the ownership group who took over the club last year and stated from day one that they'll be coming here with lofty ambitions and they're putting their money where their mouth is. So not only they spend a lot of money in January on players, now they're splashing the cash on a new foreign manager. Will it work out? Well, we have seen other foreign coaches come here and struggle a bit, but I have to give them props for even taking the risk. But alright guys, that is all I got here on Jamaica Fun. That is one position down and one left, and that's who will be coach at Harbour View. I don't think Tapa Whitmore will be going over there. So we'll also be interested to see if Tapa will rejoin the league at all. We do know that he'll be coaching schoolboy football, so again we wait and see what he does in terms of the JPL. But in terms of Montego Bay United, the case is closed. Zapata is the man at the helm, and we'll see how it goes when the league starts in September. But if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, as we'll keep you up to date on all things in the Jamaica Premier League, especially in this off season. In fact, we have a video right here that gives an update on some of the other clubs and what's happening, as well as this video where we list our best goalkeeper of the past season. Otherwise, keep it locked right here at Jamaica Fun. YouTube, big up yourself.